Right, and Kotoko, the first game I went in FA Cup. More winning. How was the game?
So, my mom, my boss said, and I'm about to my yes, I said, fancy. If we are team of Kodia, say, try say, that's my idea. I was a bottom rancher, I said, I reading a bit of my Edaba fee.
Okay, do you know Kasafa performance at team not done at the end? Even performance in the state.
First half of the day, I'm going to but of course, second half of the coach is got to ask you and never pray. And I'm first half of the American and you're that's a big deal. Do a league, a question of now I say, well, shut down who so but of course, yes, it's like a credit. I'm a buy me and I change it. Get the same my
but you who are lead name now on my last game on boy against Kotoko United. Na performance no way any bra coach e use no center forward there and I was also complaining say another performance no enye no
so share the bia no na position no obo na mo who say ball no anya de bia no benya ode the go go to na bi obet ma ball pai bi won so a wonti me internet there ankoyi ama no anya de bia o man coach na anya de na me no ankoyi ama
who ni say why na e bua sesa game no de ma Kotoko in the second half
o share time bi who say de bia o mo na change game the match ball be able to be a no change game. One born a general. The match be able to be a Pitami and one born or add a general. So, the game
and now, if I don't do a Casafa, a Brantay, a Hilaria, that was the performance, and who the same thing.
Yeah, that would another one who bought us. And I cried another one who so and I make an ball there. The group of your Benya would the group be over call for the just over ball. It is an game and that one who was
winning MTNFA Cup first game. More twice were winning Aqua Jet last season.
Vampire. If you are a veteran, for say to me winning, winning FA Cup. Winning FA Cup and let do for Africa. Who won league now for FA Cup. You see, a vampire said, if it's my point, let my project because any other champion last season. It's a vampire said, better magic. Penalty on Moka, penalty, I never be a referee. Penalty, way a penalty. Penalty, I never be a Hamudu Musa board referee. It's a ball when you're penalty.
Sunday, Mobile Dreams FC or Babayara Sports Stadium. How is the expectation?
That's the supporters. They'll be after a second. Sunday, I'm out of my more beyond the players and say, I can't throw. So, who is supporters now? And I want to go for it. About more to me, Bob. It is a man no mutifia na yesta. It is best Sunday ya meaduma. Another tough match na ebe mo. God dreams so munya team bitwa. It is best say be obi o hwe me na o team bia no. Sunday ya meaduma. Omumbra park na best bottom brand say be win betima boy da way.
Era sepa.
As a be our di football not as a chairman because oko cases ya manfo be as be our di football no unya akwanya senka Kotoko team no yembi fi apa. Ehin fa na nka be recommend amampanifo.
First of all, striking and let's say beef up. And yeah, you know, so the difference also, let's say beef up because the defenders now, I know, say definitely one or two be a better mix it up. Come what me next season, strategically, let's say your pet. Central midfielders, central backs, and more. I know it's a technical team. Ask for two or three central backs. If you want potential, we are going to be able to up the team. We are praying, sir, a bit to me an hour. I'm on my Barbecue, the Phobia.
Team na omo contract e won komodie no advance na say supporters no do na nto maju
no say our able IMC chair na happen for
Florentino Perez
sure we ya hu aduma nti ya bibia ama edum say ono de the way we see about Ghana football we bet me make the right players at the team and we am for
chairman can be better supporters in
yeah said the Asia corner, a be mobile and a big deal, a mid and so on my Baba support to team. We are appealing our numerous supporters, or Mumra, Omomra, especially our home matches, no matter which. You see, you know, IMC is doing their possible best, technical team and the playing body, you know, so almost supporters now boost to morale. Why should we sit back and then sitting here or sitting until you make sure that everybody better or match now yet me make sure that the ultimately that is the league this season yet me add.
Okay,
Chairman, you the same thing last season. Na kodo performance ne ye OMTF Cup mo sha ase no na enye gidigidi sa ene mo wini game ne say chairman.
Game it was very tough. It was very tough because the buyer you first half the way future stars over the time they were sacked psychologically almost made to be two or more making sure say on the TV it was first half in fact they did their possible best and the opener the share first but there is a saying say only pay you the yes so your call restless first half coach the technical team so making sure say omo ebe pre omo tactics no more making sure say be sinto atobia no be yeah ama team etimi accommodate the first second half no ba wo hwe ya afede na you push on and equalizer and then after 80th
minute team nemo ebi mo so ka say ofi injury ba performance ni ye okay chairman who say
yeah I say players we do what English is show mo English but I am technical me call home because medical team no e wo ho omo aka tre technical team say bi mo wo ho omo nye fit nti enya bibia ma omo no omo nhwe the technical team so make sure say yenu second batch
second round
no so etimi ameki amas
say you can second round as him chairman aka 4 games Ghana Premier League demo chairman mu come saying because Sunday you be playing Dreams FC or Baba Sports Stadium 4 matches na aka no expected there from Kotoko because I'm going to say mutimi mu ben team kakra so I'm expected there from Mhono
me assure our numerous supporters say the 4 matches are concerned they are in the first half. They do and die. Okay. We are going all out. We are grabbing all the maximum points, both home and the away. Into a month of support entirely.
And a who Samba will know a way to the honor. Yasansu and who answer a way to Joseph Ambulo. Zakaria Musa Hamzata. Chairman, who penny say?
Perfect. Perfect. On say Probiajo, we play as a team. We be the one, we be one. The encourage you, so we know why we should be to me. I there and say, now you support you. Now, Ebia, we or more. We abroad and then
Ansu and then
Samba, our captain, we were almost a bit me after into the team. No let us through our support to them. Near Montpellier, and so the English situation in our company, we be okay. No, my barber for more team. I'm a movie for
Chairman Yakukakra, Karimzi to Mumune say.
I know dear, he's on course.
Oh yeah, Juma. Oh yeah, Juma.
And near my Akakakra, I said, your bad advice and said, yeah, on tea supporters, and so there is a saying, sir, Unimba, yes, you
Chairman, with us,
future stars on Mamika Bibin Chom. I local debut. I ever get Nikom, Kena both to me as a good football. As I look to Conabo, I know the Division 2, and I only Division 1 been able. Only to Conabo, who experienced goalkeeper will say, Adam, send you goalkeeper not here, some baby. First goalkeeper no changing, send you not here, some baby. When you experienced goalkeeper will say, no, you know him, say, when you penalty is changing, we did another goalkeeper for number about 5 minutes. And I told him, it's your experience, and I got to go to show. I won't blame myself. Mom won't blame me. I experience the Kotoko. And the players need Never buy a castle because of them, my own say yes or experience. On my own say okay, park, media. So it's never buy a basso for Naomi Kana, what the bus I can have now. It's in that take I ask a woman. What you need dreams, rather. You need dreams. How Baba Yara? Namia Dumois, Sunday. Messy Kotoko supporters. Yamra, Yamama supporting your boys. Injuries never hurt him low. Send your injuries, Fadia. I got to go get good teams. So I say, and get good team. Ure says, and let me try to say, players on Mujo Yami, you go keep a choice in Shima. Woman, injury was a, and I'm saying, it's managing as a technical team, managing, and you do the meeting. Now, here Sunday, I need dreams in Messy supporters. Omuna Bayara, Yambasha, born Nabi Bianca.
Oh, sir, after Kasa and Tosumini, the best at the catcher said, they are Kotoko future stars. And I'll catch him, say, Migidam, oh, Migidi, we say, I collect 21. And you say, do many any day, they are Kotoko Kunim.
Okay. You say, they were for
Oh, they offer say after the match because you say any dreams they have on league Kumasi Sports Stadium can be also dreams customer cry show at the points but also what's the performance there yes so far yeah so when somebody can catch you say I collect 21 Sunday because I'm first half but we say Kotoko team no they penny but on the first half no second half no near the years and beat you okay
coach can you
oh no make us say coach in the mini problem oh yeah na yes say the five ball e tan achi say obako akonanim.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?